Hello everybody. I hope that you are doing well and welcome back to the daily outlook. So I'm going to be talking about Euro USD pair today because I've done some previous videos during the weekend, and I just want to do a small recap. So we had the breakout of the trend line. Okay, I was expecting price to either correct back and tag the low, or if we didn't have completed the impulsive move, we were going to go to to at least tag the trend line, and then bounce back of this trend line. So we didn't even have that. So we had price coming out. I mean, even going much further than the trend line and then correcting. So what we have now, and as I said, I had these two scenarios already, so I was expecting these two scenarios. And what you should look for right now you have a very nice opportunity not to enter. You don't have an entry level right now. What you have in fact a sell opportunity. Okay, so you have a sell opportunity, but you have to wait. Okay, so you have to wait a little bit. You have to wait until 10826 is tagged. And if we close, if we don't close above, because it doesn't look like it's going to close above, because this is the end of this is the end of a wave, because we have tagged the 1.618. all right, so the extension of the first wave has been reached. Okay, so we've reached the extension of the first wave. And what happens when we reach the extension? Price usually comes back. Okay, these were plotted even before this video. They were plotted during the weekend, so we had already the level of 1.0 76 already drawn. Okay, so we were expecting this level to be tagged if we break out of the oblique trend line. Okay, so this is exactly what happened, and as you can see how precise my trend line and the way I draw trend lines and the way I use trend lines, how precise my tools are. Okay, so these tools are going to be shared maybe during a course after after a few a few days, or maybe a few weeks. I don't know when, because I don't have a course yet, and I really don't want just to teach you something that is not right. So I've been trading for 4 years, and I've been doing this daily for 4 years, and that's why I know what to draw, and I know how to use Elliott waves. So these are the things that I use. I use Elliott waves, I use Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement are not used by lots of traders. They know how to use retracement because they're easy to use. I mean, they're not easy, but they're easy to draw. But extensions are much more powerful, and very few traders know how to use them. These are some kind of secret, they are secret. I mean, they work a lot. I mean, they work very well. They work very well. But until you use them, and until you understand how to use them, you won't be able to really profit from them. So to use the extensions, what you require, what's required from you to use this tool is to have an understanding of why they work and how they work. Okay, so these are things that I can discuss, like in other even free videos or in, like a paid course or whatever. But the important thing is, right now we have a sell, we don't have a really good sell opportunity. I said, if we tag, like if we are going to tag, like the high and come lower, we should expect, like price to come back and tag, like and tag the trend line again. Because right now we see that price wants to, like what price wants to go higher, but it's really, like we are in the Asian, we are almost, like close to the Asian session, so this is not going to happen. I mean, price is not going to move aggressively during that session. So what we can expect for tomorrow is when we break, like when we break, like lower than 1.0820, if you want to be, like sure of, like the potential for sell, just wait until we break, like the 100%. Okay, Fibonacci level. This is the 100% Fibonacci level. So this is the first wave. The first wave has been, like has been working as, like a strong, like support, right? And right now we are right at that support. So this level is this is a psychological level, and it's a level that, like markets, that is, like important to markets. But expect that if we break, like below, why? Because we had already, like we had already a try to break it, and then we had another try to break it, and then we had another try to break it. So right now, let's see what happens here. But if we break it, like this is going to be the fourth time, it means that price will go, like down, and it will go lower. It will go to, like the round number of, like 10800. So here is the opportunity, and good luck. And I will be, like back tomorrow with more videos.